Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Mike. I'm the owner of A&M Quality Services. Me and my wife started our own company 3 years ago now. We started in Michigan and now we moved down to South Carolina, and things have been going good, and now we're to the point where we're going to start recording and giving some of that knowledge back to you guys, the viewers. Yesterday, we actually closed on our first property. It's got 5 acres. It's got a mobile home that needs to be completely renovated, and it also has a barn. The next series of videos are all going to be about how we're going to do the ins and outs, start to finish, what things we run into, and just, you know, the overall process of renovating that property completely. Other things you can expect from this channel in the future going forward are going to be just our day-to-day interaction with customers, and eventually we're going to get into reviewing of products, different tools that we use to make our jobs easier. So yeah, we're excited to start this channel. So obviously, it being a new channel, please hit that like button and that subscribe button, and we'll have a lot more content to share with you guys. Have a good one. All right, we're back on the property. I didn't get a video of what it looked like before, but this is just a rough cut. So now obviously you can see the pond a lot better. We got a lot of ideas on what to do with that. But first thing first, we gotta either get somebody in here to dive or clean up this pond, or we're thinking about draining it. But we're actually here today in order to hook up our electricity. The power company said that we have to turn off the breakers, so we're just gonna go shut off the breakers. All right, here's the property. As you can see, it needs a lot of work. They already got all the carpets and flooring out, but all the subfloors are gonna have to be replaced. There's some of the old floor. They put some subfloors here, but they put it on top of the old flooring and other subfloors. You can see that. There's a huge gap there. I like to, if I'm gonna redo it, I might as well redo it right. So I'm gonna take that out. These cabinets are either all gonna come out or all get painted, but they're kind of like a particle board, so it might not be worth saving them. Then we go this way, and we got a little tiny room here, which I don't know if I should just knock down that wall and try to open up the kitchen, or right next to it is a bathroom. So maybe make this bathroom a little bit bigger, make this side of the house the master. Over here you got where your washer and dryer will hook up, and then you can obviously see the floor is bad and the paneling is not looking too hot. All right, here's the panel, the breaker box. So we just got to make sure everything's off. It says off and on there. So these ones look like they all go that way, and these ones all go this way. So now, and I don't know if that breaker is supposed to be loose like that, so that's something I'm gonna have to ask the electrician, or I'll, you know, watch some videos later on that. Does look like we have some empty slots too where we can put other breakers in. So yeah, that's the first step. I had to drive back out here to turn these off, so maybe that'll save you some time. Whenever you're turning on power, they want it turned off at the breaker box. And here is the view when you walk out of your house. Nice little pond at the end of a street. Nobody really around, and then you got your house there. But yeah, we got 5 acres into these woods, and at the end of the property there is a big nice creek. It's also got a well here, which is cool, but there's a septic tank, but we can also tap into the city sewer. So lots of things to do, so stay tuned for the next step.